Selim. I live in Texas, and today I will be your rainbow chef. Before you start cooking, remember to always wash your hands for 30 seconds, and that will keep you safe and healthy. Today we will be making a French drain called Arnold Palmer. In order to start cooking, we need some of these colorful, amazing materials. If you would like to have all of these amazing materials, you can visit our website and buy a backpack and all of these materials just in one place. For our recipe, we will need some water, lemons, sugar, and black tea. First, we will make fresh lemonade. To make lemonade, we will need 1 teaspoon of lemon peel. And we will need 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Let's squeeze some lemons. Here we have 1/2 cup of boiled water and 3/4 cup of sugar. I will add the 3/4 cup of sugar into the water and mix it so the sugar dissolves in the water. Now I will mix it. Now I'm adding lemon juice and lemon peel into here, and I'm going to mix it. Here I have the rest of the water, and now I will mix everything. Now I'm going to put this into the refrigerator and let it cool down. Now we will make the tea. I have 4 black tea bags and 4 cups of boiling water. I will put these in. After 5 minutes, we will discard the bags. We will put our tea into the refrigerator. Okay, now to serve our drink, we need to fill our glass with ice, and now fill halfway with our lemonade. Now halfway with our tea. Let me give it a try. It is very nice and very healthy. If you like this recipe, make sure to like and subscribe. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!